7 Fiverr gigs you can do without any skills or knowledge. If you're looking for some quick and easy money, Fiverr is the place to be. This video will discuss 7 Fiverr gigs that require no skills or knowledge. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra cash, keep watching. Number 1 on our list is proofreading and editing. Do you have a knack for finding typos and errors? If so, then becoming a proofwriter might be the perfect gig for you. This is a service that is in high demand, and you can easily make money by doing it. All you need to do is have a good eye for detail and be able to spot errors in grammar, spelling, and punctuation. This gig can be easy to work on, but can also offer good money. While proofreading and editing, you have to be very careful so that you don't introduce any new errors yourself. Several people are offering the same service on Fiverr, so you need to make sure that your gig is competitive. It has a good potential to become a regular gig for you if you play your cards right. Number 2. Virtual assistant services. If you're not interested in proofreading and editing, then maybe you would be interested in becoming a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is someone who provides administrative, secretarial, or other similar support to clients remotely. This is a great gig for stay-at-home moms, students, or anyone looking to make some extra money. Being a virtual assistant requires no skill other than being organized and efficient. You can offer your services to help with things like scheduling appointments, managing email correspondence, or even data entry. It includes very simple tasks that can be done by anyone with a computer and internet connection. The sky is the limit when it comes to becoming a virtual assistant. So if you think you have what it takes, this could be the perfect gig for you. Number 3. Recording testimonials and videos. This is a gig that is perfect for those who are comfortable being in front of the camera. All you need to do is record a short video testimonial or review for a product or service. This gig is great because it doesn't require any editing or post-production work. You can simply hit record and upload your video. People always require testimonials for their products or services, so there is always a demand for this gig. It is very easy to record such videos, and you don't need to be an expert in video editing or anything like that. This is a great way to make some easy money. Number 4. Voiceover artist. If you're not interested in being in front of the camera, then maybe you would be interested in becoming a voiceover artist. This is a gig that is perfect for those who have a great voice, but don't necessarily want to be in front of the camera. All you need to do is record your voice for a product or service. This gig is great because it can be done from the comfort of your own home, and you don't need any expensive equipment. All you need is a good quality microphone and some recording software. This is a great way to make some extra money, and it's perfect for those who are shy but still want to make that extra money. Voiceover artists are always in demand because there are so many products and services that require a voiceover. They use these audios for commercials, explainer videos, e-learning modules, and so much more. If you have a great voice, this could be the perfect gig for you. Number 5. Transcription Service. If you're not interested in any of the above gigs, then maybe you would be interested in doing transcription work. This gig is perfect for those who are fast typists and have a good ear for detail. All you need to do is transcribe audio files for a product or service. This gig is great because you can do it easily without needing professional skills and gear. All you need is a good quality microphone and some transcription software. This is a great way to make some extra money, and it's perfect for those who want to work at their own pace. There is always a demand for transcription work because so many audio files need to be transcribed. These files can include interviews, focus groups, lectures, and so much more. If you're a fast typist and have a good ear for detail, this could be the perfect gig for you. Number 6. Background removal services. This is a gig that is perfect for those who are familiar with photo editing software like Photoshop. All you need to do is remove the background from an image for a product or service. This gig is great as it requires very little effort and no technical knowledge of editing is needed for it. All you need is good quality photo editing software. There is always a demand for this gig because there are so many photos that need the background removed. These files can be used for product photos, website headers, and so much more. If you're familiar with photo editing software, this could be the perfect gig for you. Number 7. Making templates on Canva. Another service on Fiverr that requires no skills is making graphic templates on Canva. All you need to do is create a template for a product or a service. All you need is a good quality photo editing software. This is a great way to make some extra money, and it's perfect for those who want to work at their own pace. There are hundreds of ready-to-use templates for almost everything available on Canva. You just have to search for the right one and make small and quick changes to shape it according to the client's requirement. There is always a demand for this gig because there are so many files that need proper templating. These files can be used for product photos, website headers, and so much more. If you're familiar with photo editing software, this could be the perfect gig for you. So there you have it. These are just a few of the many gigs that you can do on Fiverr without any skills or knowledge. If you're looking to make some extra money, then definitely check out these gigs. Who knows? You might just find your perfect gig. There are a lot of Fiverr gigs that don't require any skills or knowledge. If you have a great voice, are a fast typist, or are familiar with photo editing software, then one of these gigs could be perfect for you. So what are you waiting for? Start earning some extra money today. I hope this video was helpful in giving you some ideas on how to make money on Fiverr.